Today it rained in Dubai, and it's right after days like this that cars are brought to us on a tow truck.
The problem isn't the rain, the problem is the deep puddles. When you drive into water, it can get into the engine. The engine tries to keep running, and that's when hydrolock happens. Sometimes the car starts up and keeps going. But a day later, you get a knock, an error, or a complete engine failure. Don't start the car after driving through deep water. Don't try to drive it yourself. Turn off the engine. Call a tow truck. Check the engine and the electrical system.
After rain in Dubai, it's better to be safe than to have to replace your engine. If you've driven into water, message us